Unlocking English Idioms, a safe bet, explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, a safe bet. So if you've ever stumbled upon this expression and wondered what it's all about, you're in the right place. Let's get started and bet safely on expanding your English vocabulary today. When we say something is a safe bet, we're not talking about gambling in the usual sense. In everyday English, this phrase means that something is very likely to happen or be true. It's like saying you're confident enough to bet on it because the odds are in your favor. For instance, if you say, it's a safe bet that the store will be crowded during the holiday sale, you're expressing a high degree of certainty that the store will be full of shoppers. The idiom, a safe bet, comes from the world of gambling, where a bet is considered safe if it's likely to pay off. Over time, this concept moved beyond the realm of gambling and became a part of everyday language to indicate predictability and certainty in various situations. To help you understand how to use a safe bet, let's look at some examples. 1. Considering his skills, it's a safe bet that he'll win the chess tournament. 2. With the weather forecast showing clear skies, it's a safe bet to plan a picnic this weekend. 3. If you're looking for a movie that the whole family can enjoy, an animated film is usually a safe bet. Notice how in each case, the phrase indicates a strong likelihood or a high level of confidence in the outcome. In case you want to mix things up a bit, here are some synonyms you can use in place of a safe bet. Likely, probable, a good chance, highly likely. These alternatives can be used interchangeably, depending on the context of your conversation or writing. That wraps up our explanation of the phrase, a safe bet. We hope you now feel confident using this idiom in your everyday conversations and can appreciate the nuance it brings to the English language. Remember, learning idioms is a safe bet when it comes to sounding more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!